The Asus ROG Delta S wireless gaming headset offers a blend of comfort, style, and high-quality audio, making it a strong contender in the gaming headset market. Design and comfort. The headset features a sleek, minimalist design with a matte finish, contributing to its premium aesthetic. Weighing approximately 310 grams, it is lightweight and comfortable for extended gaming sessions. The adjustable headband and swiveling ear cups ensure a secure and personalized fit. Audio performance. Equipped with 50mm neodymium drivers, the Delta S wireless delivers clear and crisp sound across various gaming genres. The default audio profile is bass-heavy, providing an immersive experience. Connectivity and battery life. The headset connects via USB-C 2.4 GHz dongle, ensuring a stable wireless connection. It also supports Bluetooth connectivity for versatile use across devices. In wireless mode, the Delta S is rated for 25 hours of battery life, with some users reporting up to 31.5 hours at low volume levels. Features. The Delta S wireless includes an AI beamforming microphone with noise cancellation, enhancing voice clarity during communication. It also supports Virtual 7.1 surround sound, providing an immersive audio experience. Overall, the Asus ROG Delta S wireless gaming headset combines comfort, style, and high-quality audio, making it a strong choice for gamers seeking a premium wireless headset. While it may not suit all audio preferences, its features and performance make it a noteworthy option in the gaming headset market. Thank you so much.